In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find DNS on Shopify. If you're setting up your Shopify store, understanding how to access and manage your DNS settings is essential. This is where you'll manage domain configurations like pointing your domain to your Shopify store or setting up email records. Let's walk through this process together smoothly step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. You'll see your dashboard, which is your control panel for everything related to your online store. Look for the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the gateway to all the intricate details of your store. Click on it, and it'll open a whole list of other settings you can tweak and customize. Once you're on the settings page, you need to locate domains. Click on that, and you'll find yourself on the domain management page. Here you can see the domains connected to your store, whether you purchased them through Shopify or connected them from a third-party provider. The domains page is critical because this is where all your domain magic happens. Next, find the domain for which you want to access the DNS settings. Typically, you'll have either a Shopify managed domain or an external one. For Shopify managed domains, there's a convenient little button that says Manage. Click on it, and you'll enter the domain customization interface. Now, you're on the DNS settings page, which is the heart of what we're dealing with today. This area allows you to add, edit, or remove DNS records. DNS records are like little signposts that tell the internet how to find your website or how to route your emails. You might see records like a, name, txt, and mx records. An A record is used to point your domain to the IP address of your Shopify store. Ensure it's pointed correctly to avoid any service interruptions. A name record can redirect traffic for a specific subdomain of your domain. Do take care when editing these, as your domain's behavior on the web hinges upon them. For those of you setting up email services, MX records are crucial. These define the mail servers responsible for receiving emails on your domain. Often, setting them up involves getting specific instructions from your email provider, which you can enter here. It's pivotal to be cautious with any changes you make. DNS changes can take time to propagate throughout the internet. This means any changes you make might not have an immediate effect, typically taking up to 48 hours. If at any step you feel uncertain, Shopify's support documents or a quick chat with their excellent support team can further guide you. This straightforward process of accessing and managing your DNS ensures your domain operates smoothly with Shopify, achieving a professional and seamless online presence. Remember, take it slow, double-check your work, and enjoy the process of crafting your online space.